right. Here's Mama Deer. Say hi, Mama Deer. Oh, babies. Yeah, that tongue's going. Go ahead, go eat. All right, bye, mamas. Aw, big nose. Ah, big nose, baby.
Look at her smelling. Oh, you're crazy.
And a little baby over here. Come on, I know you smell the corn. Oh, yeah.
Come on, pretty girl.
Come on.
Come on, guys. Come on. John, they're waiting for you to step back a little.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's like he's not. He's coming right up.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
We got a lot of guys
I
over
was just taking a
here.
picture of you. It's all right.
Yeah, one over here.
Pinky!
We got Big Nose there.
Jim said Pinky was all the way out on the other side.
Really?
Yeah, by where the owls nested the last time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Big Nose
Come on, guys.
baby.
Like 3 or 4.
Livy,
Come
say
on.
hi.
It's okay.
Livy,
Yeah.
say hi. And we got Jim and John and Bevy and
Yeah.
Theo right there. Mama, the one behind us looks like she's from China, girl.
Which one's behind us?
She's over there, right there.
Oh, you do look like a
Yeah.
China girl.
Okay, bye everyone.